ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው ላልተማረ ሰው ግን ቀኑ ጨለማ ተማር ልጄ ወገን ዘመድ የለኝ ሀብት የለኝም ከእጄ ስማኝ ልጄ ሌት ፀሐይ ነው
Another example is given an arithmetic progression with first the fourth term is given 8 and the 8th term is also 10, and then find the first term and the common difference DA class. To determine the solution of the given information here as a solution, the given information is arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression with A1, A2, A3 in such a case, in such a way. Let's say AN here. So the given information is A4 and A8. So that the AN is a formula is given. A1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. A1 plus n minus 1 times common difference D. So from this we have the fourth term is A4. If it is 4, we can say F the 4, which is A1 plus, since n is 4, we can say here 4 minus 1. N is 4, so 4 minus 1 says 3 times of D. And again, the 8th term is becomes what? Which is A8, which equals to the formula by using this formula here. We can say so A1 plus the n is given 8, so 8 minus 1 is 7. We can say 7D. So this is something which is systems of simultaneous equations using two variables and two equations, so that we can say here as equation 1 and equation 2, equation star and star. So we can given the given information is what will be the fourth term. The fourth term is given here, say 8, and the eighth term is given, which is what, say 10. So if you subtract this, here, then we can eliminate one of the variables, either A1 or common difference D. For the time being, it is eliminating the variable A1 is simple, so that A1 minus A1 is 0. So 3D minus 4D gives minus 4D, which equals to say 8 minus 10 becomes say what? Negative 4 and negative 2. So from this information we can divide minus 4D over minus 4 equals to minus 2 over minus 4, which means dividing both sides of the equation by the non-zero number, which is negative 4. This implies that the common difference D of the arithmetic progression given by, which is 1 over 2. Negative 4 by negative 4 is cancelled out. Now to calculate or determine the value of the first term or A1, we can take one of the equation from this. Say for example, from the first term here, A1 plus 3D equals to say 8. Given A1 plus 3D equals to say 8, which means the fourth term. So A1 plus 3D, 3 times D, but D is common difference already calculated here. So you can use which is say 1 over 2, which equals to say 8. Therefore, the first one equals to what here? 8 minus 3 over 2. 8 minus 3 over 2. So the value of A1 equals to say 60 minus 3. 16 minus 3 over 2. So the result is equals to simply 13 over 2. So we can calculate the first term is 13 over 2, and the common difference of this given information is the 1 over 2.